Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 76 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. We read those questions, and we take the answers, the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions a day. So on today's episode, we're talking on perks on a B2B or back-to-back. What happens if you miss your scheduled dining time? Floor cots. Sale and sign cards with only 9 letters. And tipping your room steward. All right, question 1. This cruiser asks, can you please share the up-to-date perks on the back-to-back in regards to the pictures and the drink? And John said, if you are on a back-to-back, you will receive a coupon to have a photo taken on the first night at a specific photo welcome backdrop. You will also receive a free drink coupon to use at any bar on the first evening. Not sure how this works with the free platinum diamond drink, but if you're, maybe get an extra one. Ooh, that'd be good. This cruiser asked, if they miss their scheduled dining time, early or late, can you log in and wait for a table with the your time dining guests? He said, no, I'm afraid not. They have to be very strict with this because everyone has their assignment and it's not possible to interchange. If that were to happen where, say you're in the casino, you're on a winning streak and you don't want to go to the dining room, you go into Lido, which we like doing anyway because we go to the casino and we get on a winning streak and we're like, we missed our time, see ya. Even at any time, we'd still end up going to Lido. Anyway, question 3. This cruiser wanted to bring up the fact that they used to ask their stateroom attendant for a floor cot for their 3-year-old because they didn't want them to fall off a bunk bed. They had this on the Paradise, and when they were on the Mardi Gras, they told it's no longer available as they considered it a safety issue. Can you please explain the inconsistency here? John said they have actually stopped them on all ship. He did apologize about it, but they are no longer available. That said, this is not John, this is us. We had some friends that were on a cruise a couple weeks ago, and they got the cot. So, I don't know if it's, I don't know. But recently, somebody did get a cot. John's saying they don't. So, I don't know. I guess we'll answer that in the next one if you're watching that one. Speaking of watching, if you like what you see and you like cruising, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it, and thank you. All right, question 4. This person wrote, their name is Jacqueline, spelled correctly, she said, which is 10 letters long, but on the sale and sign card, it only prints 9 letters. So the E's left off. Why is this? It's a great question. I have a long name too. It's actually Christian. John said they tried to change it, but apparently it's a mammoth task for the current computer program to allow it. So he apologized, and he would pass this on to the Beards again and said, hey, Jacqueline, without an E, because she doesn't have an E on her name. This cruise had a question about tipping their room steward. They like to tip extra at the end of the cruise for excellent service they pretty much always receive. They wanted to know if they can add gratuity specifically for their room steward on their sail and sign card at guest services, or do you need to bring cash? John thanked them for being so thoughtful. He did say it needed to be cash because right now it's not possible to add a tip specifically for any associate on the cruise on your sail and sign card. So yeah, if you anticipate having a great room steward like we always do. We do bring extra cash, and most of the time that cash stays in the room or in their hands because they are spectacular. See our 25th anniversary cruise. It was amazing, absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, everybody. That was Yakety-Yak 76. Take care.